As you can see, I'm recording square video using my iPhone, and right now I will show you how you can exactly record square video like this. Follow these easy and step-by-step guide to record square video using your iPhone. First of all, go ahead and launch your iPhone camera app, and if I go to video section, as you can see, here is no option to change video aspect ratio. So in video mode, here is no option to change or record square video. So we have to go to photo section. Once you are in your iPhone camera photo section, now tap on this arrow icon at the top, and here tap on this aspect ratio icon at the bottom menu, and here just select square. Once you successfully selected square, your camera will be square shape like this. Now to record a square video using photo, all you have to tap and hold this capture button. So tap and hold this capture button, and as you can see, the video is started to record in square shape. So let's record something here. And now to stop recording, just release your finger from the capture button, and that's it. You've successfully captured a square video. Now let's go to Photos app, and here is the square shape video. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.